Hi guys, in today's video we are talking about DeepSeek AI and its recent problems where if you maybe put in one prompt, the next time you try to put in a prompt you will receive an error. So it might help to like and subscribe. And the reality is there isn't really anything you can do about it. You can try and clear your cache, you can try and log out, log back in, but the chances of that fixing your problem are very slim. It was believed to be a DDoS attack. I hope I'm saying that right. And basically it was about flooding their servers, making DeepSeek almost unusable. So in essence, there's nothing wrong with your device, there's nothing wrong with your internet. It is a DeepSeek problem. I haven't been able to recreate the issue, so we can only hope that it's been fixed. But yes, unfortunately, there isn't anything that you can do to fix the issue. This is all DeepSeek.